Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable awareness mode on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. So let's get started with open the application. And right here we have ambient control, so put the headphones on your head to enable it. Here we go. And this is ANC and this is awareness. So you can just click on it to enable it. Or you can use a gesture. So right here at the right ear cup we have this button. Near to the microphone button we have this noise control button. So press one time and now you disable all modes, and after that press one more to enable awareness mode. And as you can see right here we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!